Hello, everybody. Today I have the honor and pleasure of welcoming with me a young graduate from KGMU, Dr. Rahul Tomar. He has secured rank of 32 in All India INI-CET examination. Congratulations, Rahul, and welcome to the DAMS channel. Heartiest congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I'm feeling very Yes, sir. I'm feeling very happy and relaxed, sir. Sir, as I
Chalo.
already, sir, as it was all by, as I already skipped my NEET examination, so sir, it was like a do or die situation for me to clear this exam, and finally I was able to get a good rank. So I'm feeling quite a relaxed now.
बहुत अच्छा राहुल. I'm so inspired by you. Rahul, you got a rank of 125 in May INI-CET और उसके बाद वहां से लेकर तुम्हारी जर्नी नवंबर INI-CET तक 6 months की कैसे रही?
सर, जब जुलाई INI-CET का रिजल्ट आया, तो सर उसके बाद ऐसा लगा कि मतलब मैं और अच्छा कर सकता था, क्योंकि मैंने कभी मतलब इसको टारगेट नहीं किया था. माय मेन फोकस वाज ऑन नीट पीजी, एंड आई हैव ऑलवेज गिवन द ग्रैंड टेस्ट रिलेटेड टू नीट ओनली. तो सर, जब इतनी अच्छी रैंक थी तो उसके बाद ऐसा लगा कि इम्प्रूव करने का एक मौका मिल भी रहा है नजदीक नवंबर में, तो आई शुड गो फॉर इट. तो सर, तो इसलिए मैंने एक बार दूसरा अटेम्प्ट लेने के लिए अच्छी तरह तैयारी की और नीट को छोड़ दिया बीच में, क्योंकि उसके लिए अप्रोच अलग थी मेरी.
क्या अप्रोच थी आपकी INI-CET के लिए स्पेसिफिकली?
सर, INI-CET के लिए there are certain topics which have been repeatedly asked in a central institute exam. Like, sir, I would like share some examples. Like, they always ask regarding to medical emergencies in medicine, like stroke, MI, and various diseases. Sir, तो इन टॉपिक्स को मैंने पूरा डिटेल में पढ़ा. मतलब मेरे पास हैरिसन की छोटे वाली बुक थी, सर. तो उससे भी मैंने मतलब कुछ, क्योंकि मुझे लगा था जुलाई में उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरह एट्रियल फिब्रिलेशन वगैरह को बहुत डेप्थ में मतलब टॉपिक्स थे उनके, जिनको वो किसी भी एक्सटेंड से सर अच्छी तरह तैयार किया. तो उसके लिए आई नीडेड सम टाइम. सो सर, आई स्किप्ड माय नीट एग्जामिनेशन एंड आई डेडिकेटेडली प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दिस अटेम्प्ट.
अंडर ग्रेजुएशन में जो आपने पढ़ाई की उसका क्या रोल रहता है INI-CET की प्रिपरेशन में? MBBS के दौरान कैसे पढ़ना चाहिए अगर किसी स्टूडेंट को INI के लिए पढ़ना है?
सर, जो मुझे लगा है कि मतलब अंडर ग्रेजुएशन में जो भी पढ़ाई का रोल है, वो ज्यादा तो आपको अच्छा डॉक्टर बनाने के लिए ज्यादा है, कंपेयर टू कि आपको ये जो एंट्रेंस एग्जाम है इसमें बहुत अच्छी रैंक दिलाने के कंपेरिजन में. क्योंकि सर, बहुत सारे लोग थे, जब मैंने INI जुलाई दे के आया तो इंटरव्यू में many people said that they never read any standard textbook. So sir, I was kind of disheartened because I have been disciplined in my undergraduate years also. I have read various standard textbooks, so I was kind of disheartened. So sir, what I have learned, I have given both the INSET July and November. So sir, what I have learned is that these entrance exam need a specific targeted approach, and which has to do a very little with your undergraduation days. Means there are many people who are not very serious during their undergraduation, and they have got a very good and decent rank in this November.
एक मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा राहुल कि जैसे इंटर्नशिप के दौरान प्रिपरेशन करते हुए कई
graduation days do help. Yes, sir.
Please go ahead, राहुल. हाँ.
No sir, it was free, so I was pausing.
हाँ, ओके. तो ये मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा, अंडर ग्रेजुएशन तो आपने बताया, इंटर्नशिप के दौरान जब प्रिपरेशन करते हैं तो टाइम मैनेजमेंट में कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को प्रॉब्लम आता है कि ड्यूटीज के साथ पढ़ाई करते समय, क्या इसके बारे में कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप स्टूडेंट्स?
यस सर, टाइम मैनेजमेंट के लिए मेरे पास ये था कि हर एक सब्जेक्ट के कुछ सब्जेक्ट में बहुत अच्छा था सर. मैं जैसे मैंने MLE की तैयारी की है अपने अंडर ग्रेजुएशन डेज में, तो फर्स्ट सेकंड ईयर के जो सब्जेक्ट है विच मेक दी बल्क ऑफ और एनी एग्जामिनेशन, बी इट नीट और एनी INI-CET. सो सर, वो तो बड़े स्ट्रॉन्ग थे, तो उनको मैंने लिमिटेड मतलब कम टाइम दिया. पर जो नए सब्जेक्ट्स थे उनके लिए मैंने पर्टिकुलरली एक चार्ट बना लिया था कि चाहे तो आप टेस्ट एंड डिस्कशन ले सकते हैं सर, या फिर जो मैंने किया वो ये किया कि मतलब हर एक के डेज अलॉट कर दिए कि अब साइकेट्री है तो इसको मतलब मैक्सिमम 10 डेज में मैं कर लूंगा, क्योंकि मैंने इसको अच्छी तरह पहले भी पढ़ा है. तो जितनी भी होगी 10 डेज के अंदर मैं कर दूंगा इसको. तो सर, अगर आप सब्जेक्ट्स को डेफिनेट टाइम स्पेंड देते हो तो ज्यादा अच्छी तरह हो पाते हैं. मतलब आप लैग नहीं करते, आप फिर अच्छी स्पीड से चलते हैं.
ओके, ठीक है. ओके, जैसे ये एग्जाम जब पोस्टपोन हुआ तो ये पोस्टपोनमेंट को लेकर काफी स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत सारे इश्यूज आए, एंजाइटी आई और कुछ स्टूडेंट्स अनहैप्पी थे, कुछ हैप्पी थे. हाँ, कुछ आउट ऑफ ट्रैक हो गए, इसको आप किस तरह से हैंडल करते हैं?
Sir, especially I do not wish such kind of things to happen in the future, but unfortunately, if similar situation arise in future also, or COVID hit again, sir, I have especially noted down 3 to 4 points to have those people who have been preparing such a long for this period, such a long time, and they feel off the track sometime because this certainly postponements affect our mentality. So, sir, first I would like to say that stay away from the social media, especially during the announcement times, because sir, I experience that people will shower their joyfully previously. So, sir, we need to limit our interaction, especially during the announcements type or during the postponements type, because we people are there to shower their negative energy and they will affect your rhythm also. The second, I would like to say that like I have been preparing since March from last year. So it has been a quite long time, 1.5 year. So sir, I have personally tried changing places of my studying. Like I used to first study at my reading room. Then after 1 year, I was feeling kind of boredom there. So I tried changing the places. Like I started studying at library. And sir, literally telling every new place bring a kind of fresh energy and fresh vibes which will help you to pace off your preparation. And sir, I would say is, like, if there are subjects first to start any revision, it will help you to pace off your it will give a good pace to your revision, and you will have a positive feedback, means कि मैं कर ही लूंगा अब ये, चाहे मतलब इस वाले रिवीजन को भी कर लूंगा क्योंकि 4 सब्जेक्ट्स तो मैं ऑलरेडी कर चुका हूँ एक हफ्ते में। वो वाली फीलिंग्स जो आती है सर, वो पुश करती है। और एट लास्ट सर ये भी कहूंगा कि many people were saying that why this happens to us only, or how much we have to keep struggling, means it's our future, we have to study anyhow for it. So we
Hmm.
cannot blame the surroundings, or it is a kind of defense which we are creating in our mind, means body is telling that go and watch some movies, so why not blame the authorities for postponing the exam? So this was kind of attitude people were asking me that how you were motivated during the whole time. So basically sir, I stayed away from creating a defense in myself against studying. It helped me a lot. So we should work anyhow for our future, we have to work, so we should take it like more time has been given, and we should try more best for a more good or more better rank.
Very good. Very, very, very positive thoughts, Rahul. What all resources and dams you used and how it helped you?
Sir, I have given the 4 computer based test of NEET PG in the at DAM center in Lucknow. And sir, I was also part of test and discussion schedule for the INICET July 21. So sir, what I can say is that the test and discussions, they are very concise and very specific to the exam related matter, because I was already searching for such, because being from a not from a central institute, but we struggle is that we don't have an in-depth analysis of questions on the topics which are asked in central institutes exam. And what I was searching was that only, that I need to know the topic, I need to know the questions or the important concepts which have been asked repeatedly, and I was ready to go in depth. So DAMS helped me to give the direction that these are the topics and you can study from wherever you want, and we will also give you. So after watching the video, after giving a 40 minutes test, I used to watch the video if needed. And beside that, all the test and discussion group also, the test and discussion package also included the AIMS capsule. So sir, in which I have watched your videos and Miss Dipti ma'am videos and Sumer sir videos, and he even predicted the some questions in July INSET related to MRI image which was given Nistal sequence. And sir, in so the AIMS capsule specifically is made to highlight the important topics which have been asked in AIMS. So sir, it helped a lot.
Very good, Rahul. Very good. Thank you so much for sharing this. Any general thing you would like to say to your juniors, your family,
Yes,
your friends?
yes. Sir, I have since last 2 days I have been receiving many calls regarding that what should be our approach toward the NEET 2022. So only 3 months are remaining. Like this have been the common doubts of the people who have been speaking to me. So sir, I have made a certain small plan. If it could be beneficial to anyone who is listening over there, I would be happy. It would be
Please share.
Yes, sir. So there are certain days like in November which are remaining, like 7 to 8 days which are remaining in November. These are the last days which you can which you can do experiment with your resources. Means these are the last 7 to 8 days which are remaining in November, where you can sort out the subject of which you have still not decided that which resource I will use. Means like I was having anesthesia. So sir, it was given as a major subject in some places, and in some other sources I was getting it was only for nearly 100 pages. So there was kind of variation. So I first fixed that I will read drugs part from this section, this notes, and other remaining parts from that.
Okay.
These are 7 days in which you can complete. By complete revision, I means including your weak and strong subject. All these 2 December and January should be dedicated to a good revision of all the subjects, be it your strong subject or a weak subject. And sir, in February, I want all the future aspirants to focus on their weak subject, which you can get by viewing the whichever app you are using, whichever resource you are using. You can see the last bottom 4 subject which have been the list have been prepared after your GT analysis and all. So in February particularly, you have to keep revising those 4 subject notes again and again, beside giving a fast revision to your already done subject, in which you will do in
Yes.
So in February, I think you should focus on. And sir, in March, in March, which we say 20th notebook, like in which we keep jotting down the facts and information which I used to forget. Like I was particularly in psychiatry. If I say, I would say the stages of contempt. Like I would say the defense which are being associated. Like I used to forget the are associated with which disorder. I have prepared to revise it. And sir, so in 12 days, besides reading the fact, IPCs, and or classification, these 12 days should be dedicated to the Ratamaro steps, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir. Last cramming facts.
Thank you so much, Rahul, for sharing all this. I hope your juniors would be very happy, and we wish you all the best for your future endeavors as well. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.